Hi guys, I hope you all are doing amazing. Today we are going to create this highlighted look and I hope you like it. And if you do not forget to press the like button and press the subscribe button as well and the bell icon too, so that every time I upload a video you get the notification and you can check it out. Also, this video is in collaboration with Foxy, which is a platform for beauty influencers and artists which connects with top brands and savvy shoppers. So make sure you check their website. They also have lots of discounts going on, and with every purchase you get a surprise gift. What else do you want? So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with my base. So today we are going to use a highlighter palette by Makeup Revolution. This is a beautiful highlighter palette. It has 8 different shades, and if I open it and I show it to you, you can see it has like beautiful, gorgeous colors from like slight pink to lavender to dark brown, light brown, highlighter shades. Everything is there. So you can either mix and match, or you can use them single also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what all tricks I use to apply highlighter to highlight my face. And it's just not always about highlighting your cheeks, it's also about the way how you highlight your brow bone, inner side of your brow and on your forehead. So basically what you have to do is you have to highlight high points of your face apart from your cheeks. So what happens is whenever the light falls on your face, the high points will reflect it. And if you put the highlighter on the high points of your face, it will give a beautiful finish to your picture. It will look like you have rubbed a glass on your face, which looks gorgeous in pictures. So today, another trick which I'm going to show you is how to highlight every part of your face just with a single brush. You do not need fancy brushes. You even do not need the fan brush. That's my trick which we are going to use. And for that we are going to use a small highlighting brush. Another important part is when to decide you want to, apply a highlighter. When you want to go matte and when you want to go all glittery. So what I do is, wherever I go for a day function, I try to keep it minimal, because in the morning if you go all gaudy, nobody likes it. So what I do is I either apply this highlighter directly onto my face, like in a very, very little amount, or what I do is I mix it with my cream, my face moisturizer, and then I apply it, which makes it a strobe cream. So this is my trick, and that's how I decide. Also, when I go to night parties, majority of the time I make sure that I apply my highlighter. At the days when I don't feel like, all gaudy and I just want to keep it simple, only then I keep it matte. And by matte I mean I mix it with my foundation or my moisturizer and then apply it to my face to give a very subtle glow. So let's jump into the video and see how we can use a single brush to highlight all parts of your face. You can see I have a slightly bold makeup on your eyes, and when I have bold makeup I do not go too gaudy with the highlighter, because otherwise it will take away all the focus from your eyes. You have done bold eyes because you want focus to be there on your eyes. Now if you put a lot of highlighter on your face, the focus will go away, which you do not want. For today's look, we are not going over the board to apply it. Now since I have a pink color on my eyes, I don't want to go very gaudy by using a dark brown shade or something which is very dark. So I think I'm going to go with the eye color and use this pinkish brown color. So what I want to do is I'm going to take my blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush, and then I'm going to put it in. Now what you have to make sure is do not go over the board with your highlighter, which means do not take a lot of highlighter on your brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to touch my brush with it, and as you can see there is a lot of product on my brush. And what I'm going to do is, instead of stroking it directly, I'm going to put it pointwise like this on my face, and then I'm going to blend it. This way, let's say even if you have extra product on your face, it will not form a blob and it will blend very nicely. Oh my god, look at that glow, man. I love this highlighter and I just touched it. I mean, this is an amazing palette. If you want to invest in a good highlighter palette, and this is your holy grail, trust me. Now, next thing what you have to do is, you have to apply other high points of your face, which includes your forehead, which means this area. So now we are going to do the same thing there. Again, take very less amount, and if you want to dust off, dust. Oh my god, look at that. So now after this, you want to highlight another high point of your face, which is your nose. Now, one thing which you have to be really careful while applying a highlighter on your nose is make it a straight line. So I'll show you an example. So now you just look at this picture and please focus on my nose. If you look at my nose, while I was applying the highlighter, I slightly, instead of making it a straight line, it's slightly tilted. So now it gives an illusion that my nose is not straight, which makes it very funny. So this is not what you want to do. So now what you have to do is you have to make sure that you are making a straight line. So now what you do is you take it straight. I like to keep it very light on my nose, but what I do like is highlighting the tip of my nose, because that is technically the highest point of your face. So not too much, go very subtle, and now another thing which you want to focus is on your cupid's bow. It's very, very important. It gives a plump effect to your lips as well in pictures. And another part is your chin. Do not, rub it all over your chin. That will look very bad. You want to look sleek, and for that you have to be in a straight line. So just a little on the chin. So now coming to your brow bone. So this is your brow bone. So now you want to highlight both under and above it. That will give a kind of lifted look and also helps in accentuating your eye look. So what am I going to do is, I'm just going to take a slight one and then apply it below my brow bone, which is here. And now coming on top of it, so you have to make sure that it comes in this corner. So what happens is when you apply it here, so anyway you have highlighter here, and when you come to this part of your face, it will give an illusion that it's full, and also it will not overlap with this region. So when you move, so if I move my face from this side to this side, it will gradually go from this highlighted portion to this and then come to cheek. So it will give an illusion of fullness. So now you have to apply it here. So now guys, for the inner corner of your eyes, using the same brush you can do it. Of course the application will be more precise if you use a smaller brush, pointy brush, but with this also you can achieve it, and I'm going to show you how. So what you have to do is you have to just take enough product on the center of the brush like this. Okay, and after taking it, what you have to do is you have to directly tap it on the inner corner of your eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close my eye and just put it there, and just try to press it 4-5 times, and you will get the precise application over there. And if you want to add more, you can build it in the same way. So I'm going to take some more, and then I'm going to tap it on the same point, just like this. See? Subtle glow. And if you want more, then what you can do is you can do little swiping, but you don't want to spread it. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Same thing on the other part of your eye. Perfect. So I hope you love this video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up